Hi everybody, in this video we are going to discuss the difference between a block deal and a bulk deal in a share market. Well, starting with a block deal, basically block deal means a transaction in shares where the minimum value of shares being traded is 5 crore rupees or the minimum number of shares being traded is 5 lakh shares. Well, you might be wondering why did this deal has got its name block deal. Well, the reason is simple, friends. In this case, before the deal takes place, the buyer and the seller of the deal is blocked. Wait, here the term block means not this block. In the present case, the term block signifies that the seller knows to whom he is going to sell his shares, and on the other hand, the buyer knows from whom he is buying the shares. To simplify, we can simply say that in a block deal, the parties to the deal are known to each other. Let us understand this block deal with the help of an example. Let's say Mr. A is having 5 lakh shares of Reliance Industries and he wants to sell these shares. On the other hand, Mr. B wants to buy 5 lakh shares of Reliance Industries. Thereby, Mr. B approaches Mr. A to buy 5 lakh shares of Reliance Industries. Since Reliance Industries is a listed entity, therefore this transaction has to take place only through the stock exchanges. Therefore, these two parties will approach stock exchange to enable a block deal between these two parties. Hope this example was understood to you. Another important feature of this block deal is that these block deals are executed only between 9:15 am to 9:50 am, that is for 35 minutes. And it is also noteworthy that the intraday trading is not possible in case of these block deals. Only delivery based tradings can be executed by using the block deals, and these block deals are executed by stock exchanges in a separate trading window. Therefore, the information relating to these block deals will not be available in the normal market. However, stock exchanges make available this information relating to block deals to the public after the block deals have taken place. Those were some of the important features of a block deal. Now let us understand a bulk deal. Basically, bulk deal is a transaction in which number of shares being traded is equal to or more than 0.5% of total number of shares of such company. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Let's say total number of shares of Reliance company are 1000 shares. However, in a real life, the number of shares that Reliance is having are far more than 1000 shares. This is only for the purpose of example. Let's say Reliance company is having total number of shares of 1000 shares, and 0.5% of this 1000 shares turns to be 5 shares. Now, in this example, any person who is trading 5 shares of this Reliance company will be treated as he is involved in a bulk deal. Hope this example was understood to you. Unlike a block deal, the details relating to this bulk deal will be available in the normal market, because these bulk deals are executed in the same way as normal trades are executed. Hope this information was useful to you, and that's it for today, guys. Bye bye.